Hello, hi, it's Liz here. A special hello to subscribers, new and old. Great to have you here. And of course it's Monday, so it's the Collage 2021 assignments set by Margarete Miller, and we are at week 23. The weeks just fly by with this little book. I have now caught up, so I only need to do one. So I spent a little time on my title page, if you like. So let's jump right in. Something that represents time, something woody or wood grain, an art scrap, something red, song lyrics or a song title, and the bonus swap is a photograph. So it's 23 and it's the 31st of May. This was not an artistic choice, this was a mistake. You would think, how can you possibly make a mistake stamping out letters? But there you are. So it's 23, sideways. So something that represents time. I have this, and this is from Stamperia 8x8 paper pad, Lady Vagabond. You get clocks and archways and lots of maps, things to fussy cut. You can see that I've used quite a few pages of this, so in previous projects. Yeah, so that's what that's from. So that's time. Something woody or wood grained. I've got a scrap of patterned paper that's wood grain. I've doubled that up with my song title, and I've got Baby You Can Drive My Car, and that's because my something red is this little car, and I thought that was quite cool because it's a kiddie's car, so it's for a baby. So yeah, and the car is from Extraordinary Things to Cut Out in Collage. I use this book way more than what I ever thought that I would. There's lots of images missing from the pages. You can see I've had it for a while now, and I don't know what I would do without it, especially for these collages. I love this one here, and I can't wait until a prompt comes along because I think that'll look cool on one of the pages, and with something that she's scared of, something silly. So yeah, so I can highly recommend this book. There's all sorts of nonsense in it and some sensible images as well. So so that's that. And what else have we got? An art scrap. So this is a piece from a jelly plate print that's in my scrap box, so we'll just use that behind the car. I think we'll put the car down away. So something like that, maybe. So we've got time, wood, art scrap, something red, and song lyrics or a song title. So it's Baby You Can Drive My Car, and that was the Beatles, of course. Right, so we'll just glue this down, and of course this is just washi stickers. I bought a whole set of washi stickers from Amazon a while back now. You get hundreds and hundreds of stickers in the pack, and I just thought they're normally what I use them for is my daily hobbynichi, just to decorate the pages there, but I have so many stickers, I thought let's just randomly use some stickers on the opposite page to the collage. And I felt that, yes, that's quite straight. I felt like going in the car with the suitcases, and she's not a baby, but the young girl was maybe going on the carer holidays. I'm doing what Dee does over in Dee's Crafty Place and making up stories about the collage. It's quite fun to do. Dee does the collages as well. So should pop over there. And let's get the little art scrap down. So I'm doing this early on Sunday morning because it's a bank holiday Monday, so I'm off work, and the sun is due to shine, which is unusual here. We're going through a nice spell, and well, it's not terribly unusual, but this year's not been good so far. So it's to be proper sunny today. So I've gotten up early to do this because this afternoon we're going to my sister-in-law's garden for a dinner. So it'll just be me and my husband and I and my two sister-in-laws and my sister-in-law's partner Brian. So that'll be nice. Just let's see, how many people is that? The 5 of us. We'll sit outside with the dog in the shade. So that's us. Just the 1 week to do now that I've caught up. There's week 1. We did that last week, and that's the whole book caught up. I've still to do these 2 blank pages, and I'll do them at some point, but I'm quite pleased with that one today. I think the 2 pages go together quite well. That was last week's. I think you'll know what I'm going to say. My favourite one. Where is it? Although I do quite like her. She's quite cute. And I do quite like this one. But the favourite one, where is she? This one. He. I don't know. Nothing has overtaken it yet as a favourite. Still the man in tights on the big shoe. Oh dear. Anyway, that's me, and thanks for stopping by today. If you like the videos, a thumbs up and perhaps a little subscription if you fancy. That would be great. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye for now.